Hey everybody, welcome to the vlog. Today, I'm here with my mom.
Hello.
We are gonna go to SeaWorld and we are gonna check out the Halloween stuff. So
Woohoo!
let's go.
Let's get spooky.
Let's get spooky. What's the price?
32.
Ooh, cute.
Too bad orange is not my place. If I brought home another blanket, you'd get fish. My blanket said blanket. It's cute. I might have to. Yeah. Hello. How are you today? I'm fine. I'm just looking for my room.
Mom, it says we're in Cannibal Harbor. I'm making my mom get a free hat. Look at Grover! Grover is so cute! Yay! Wow! How cute is this? This is cute! Oh my god, look at their outfits. I love them. These are cute. Yes. Ah, cute! Cute, cute. These are so cute. Oh, look at it! It's Dad's favorite. Yay! Look at the bats! Oh my gosh, Big Bird's so cute. Oh my gosh, Oscar! Ah! That's cool. How cute!
Sesame Street, are you ready for some Halloween fun?
Oh my gosh! Oh wait, Ernie's right there.
You don't want to stand up.
It's not gonna be too scary, right?
Oh, she's on the side. Come on, Ernie! Let's go, Ernie! Woo!
Around your bones, just make sure you're not alone. You're grown up, and your friends in bed. It won't be just a scary night.
Take, slow and steady. Keep them nice like ever ready. Almost got their tricks and ways, so let a grown-up lead the way.
Before you step across the street, look left and right for cars and please. Before you dig into your treat, you gotta be sure they're safe to eat. But check it out, taste by taste, kill never. Halloween is a holiday, and safe for each and every day.
Look at this little guy. Kelly. I like Kelly. Yeah. Rocker.
good time, honey. I'm sure they did, huh?
I sure hope so.
Come back and visit us. All right, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
And I am back home. And it is a different day. I have to tell you guys, it was so hot out. It was so disgustingly hot out that right after the parade, my mom and I looked at each other and we were like, I think we have to go. We went into the gift shop right in Sesame Street to try to cool down, and we drank some water. It was so hot outside that our water was literally like hot water. We could have made like a hot tea. It was absolutely disgusting, but the parade was so cute. The Halloween decorations look really, really adorable. Our main goal was to go see our pal Ernie and the parade, so mission accomplished, but we definitely want to come back for Hallow Scream, and we want to see some of the other Halloween daytime entertainment as well. Fall in Florida is not crunchy leaves and sweaters, it is us sweating profusely. So thank you guys so much for watching this video and sweating with us. I have a lot of really fun content coming to the channel, so make sure that you are subscribed, like this video. If you want to see more Halloween adventures, give me a comment below and tell me where you want me to go next. Love you guys so much. Thanks for hanging out with me and my mom. Bye guys.